The purpose of this video is to show a simple method to find the unknown number in problems containing pairs of equivalent fractions. Here, in examples A, B, C, and D, we have the same pair of equivalent fractions. However, the unknown number that we want to find is at different positions in the equivalent fractions. In example A, how much out of 12 is the same as 3/4? Or another way of asking this is 3/4 out of 12 is how much? Visually, the question means if I change a fraction 3 out of 4 into a fraction with 12 total parts, how many shaded parts will I have? Now, if you are familiar with your times tables, you would know that if you split each of these parts into 3 smaller parts, you will end up with 12 total parts. That's good. That's 3 here. That's 3 here. That's another 3 here. And finally, another 3 here. So therefore, there are 12 total parts and 9 shaded parts. So your answer is 9 shaded parts. So how can I find the answer without drawing boxes? Now the key to that is to figure out what you have to multiply with 4 to give you 12. Again, if you are really good with your multiplication table, you know that 4 times 3 gives you 12. And because you have split each of these 4 parts into 3 smaller parts, you know that you have to split each of these 3 parts into 3 smaller parts. That gives you a total of 9 shaded parts. So now for the shortcut. If you have a hard time figuring out what number you have to multiply with 4 to give you 12, you simply go 12 divided by 4 to give you the number that you have to multiply by 4 to give you 12. And that number, which is 3, you then multiply with 3 to give you 9. To summarize, starting from the corner below the unknown number, we go clockwise, dividing this number by the number on the opposite side of the equal sign, and then multiplying the result with the number on top. So this gives us 12 divided by 4 times 3, giving us 9. Now, incidentally, it works the other way around as well. So starting from the number on the opposite side of the unknown number, I go 3 divided by 4 times 12. So that's the unknown number. I go 3 divided by 4 times 12. This will also give me the same answer. 3 divided by 4 gives me 0.75. And if I multiply that with 12, I will also get 9.